This recipe takes 20 minutes to prepare and serves 4 to 6 people. Bright, no-cook Lebanese chickpea herb salad bursting with lemony tang, silky olive oil, and an aromatic punch of parsley and mint. Crisp cucumber, juicy tomato, and radish add refreshing crunch, while sumac and a hint of cumin lend a warm, slightly tangy depth. Finish with pomegranate seeds for jewel-like sweetness. It's an easy, crowd-pleasing mezze perfect for Easter or any spring gathering that's fresh, vibrant, and utterly addictive. Let's now check the ingredients. 2 cans, 15 ounces / 425 grams each, chickpeas, rinsed and drained. 1 large cucumber, diced, Persian or English preferred. 2 medium tomatoes, seeded and diced. 4 radishes, thinly sliced. 1 small red onion or 4 scallions, finely sliced. 1 cup flat leaf parsley, finely chopped. 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. 1 large lemon, juiced, about 3 tablespoons. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground sumac, plus more to taste. 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon fine sea salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon pomegranate molasses, optional. 1/3 cup pomegranate seeds, optional. Romaine leaves or lettuce cups, for serving, optional. Pita bread, for serving, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse and drain the chickpeas in a colander until the water runs clear, then set aside to dry slightly. Finely chop the parsley and mint. Dice the cucumber and tomatoes. Thinly slice the radishes. Mince the garlic. And finely slice the red onion or scallions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, radishes, parsley, mint, and onion or scallions. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, cumin, sumac, salt, black pepper, and pomegranate molasses, if using, until emulsified. Pour the dressing over the chickpea mixture and toss gently to coat, taking care not to mash the chickpeas. Taste and adjust seasoning with more lemon, salt, pepper, or sumac as desired. Let the salad rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors meld and the onions soften slightly. If using, gently fold in the pomegranate seeds just before serving to maintain their color and texture. Transfer to a serving platter or spoon into crisp romaine leaves to create easy mezze cups. Serve at room temperature alongside olives and pita as part of an Easter spread. Now enjoy this bright Lebanese salad with your friends and family. Happy Easter, and thanks for watching.